Hello guys, welcome back. If you have watched my previous video, then you must know what I'll be demonstrating now. Uh, I'll be demonstrating how to create users, add users into groups, create groups, and create organizational units in the Active Directory. So I want you to go to the Server Manager and go to Tools and go to Active Directory Users and Computers, and then you want to go to your domain name. And I'll show you how to create your organizational unit at the first, and then I'll show you how to create groups and users and add users to the groups. As you can see on your company.com or your domain, under your domain, you can see users in here, and these are all the built-in users you can find. This is the same administrator account you used before, and these are all other users those are on your system. This is the username that I created before I promoted my server to the domain controller. Okay, then I'll show you how to create a new organizational unit. Right click on your domain name and then go to new and click on organizational unit. You can type your organizational unit. It will give it finance. Okay, if you tick this option, then you will not be able to delete this organizational unit. After you create it, you cannot delete it simply by clicking simply by right clicking and selecting delete. You have to go for advanced option for deleting this thing, so it adds safety to your organizational unit. That means you cannot accidentally delete it, so keep it ticked at the moment and click OK and go to finance. To create the group, right click on your OU and go to new and create group. What group you want to keep? I'll keep it finance at the moment, and I'll set the default settings. You can even click domain local, but I'll keep it global at the moment. Okay, and then I also want to create the users, and the users will be on the same the users I want to create is under the same organizational unit, so I'll create on the same OU new. Sorry, I use printer new. You can add other lots of things here. You can add contact, you can add init organization person, ms imaging psps, and all other things. You can even add printer here. You just need to give your printer name, the shared name here, but I don't have printer at the moment, so I cannot show you guys how to connect it. So simply I'll show you how to create a new user, and you'll create a name. You'll provide a name here like that. I'll keep it this in my first letter. Next, I want you guys to okay, I'll just simply give this password at the moment. You guys don't give any password at the moment. I'll just untick this one, and I'll proceed with this one. I'm probably getting an error, like I've said, there's an error, and what it says is my password did not meet the password policy requirements. That means I need to provide a complex password for this account, so which I haven't provided. So I'll provide a complex password with one capital, one character, and numeric values. So if I proceed with this one, then I think it will let me create the user. You cannot create the normal password because the system wants you to create a complex password. You can remove the password complexity, which I'll be showing you on my next tutorials, that comes under the group policies. So I'll proceed with the same default thing at the moment. And to add the user to the group, just there are two ways. You can right click on the user and just simply click add to group and type your group name here, like I created finance. I'll just check names, it will show me the finance. And if I click OK, then the users will be added to the finance group. And if you do so, then you individually have to go to the each user and add to the group. So there is an easy way to do this, which you can go to your groups and right click on it, go to properties and select on members, and you can add number of users in here. Check names, that's the one, and I can click OK. I can add number of users in here. I have created only one, so I don't want to provide any other usernames. Okay, if you apply, then the user is added to the group. So Ashish Khanal is a finance member of a finance group. So in this way you can create users, groups, and you can add users to the group. And I'll show you by logging in from the username I created. I'll just simply log off from this account, and then switch user or the user I'll not use my name here, but the username I provided before that I created is AASISHK, and the password when you are logging in for the first time, your desktop will take some time to start because it will prepare your desktop since you are logging into the completely new computer. If you log in into the same computer, if you have already logged into the computer before, then it will not take so time because all the configurations are already on your computer memory, so don't worry about this. It will not happen always. This one for first time. So now I have successfully logged in from the user I created. So you can add number of users and you can log in from those users, and you can even provide different accessibility, or you can provide different permissions to different users, which I'll be showing you on my next video, and that comes under the group policies. See, this is the same account I created, so I think this is 8. I'll just go to my server, and if I click on users, then I think I can find that user in here, but oh, I can't find. Okay, oh yeah, that's from the finance. So these are all. This is the computer I logged in. If you remember what computer name I used before, then I used PC001 as my client computer name. I'll quickly show you guys what it is. So this is my computer name in here, and it has recorded PC001 in here. So this computers is now under my Active Directory users and computers list. So this is all about my domain controller. This is my server name, and these are all the things I can view on my Active Directory users and computers. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll be teaching you guys how to edit group policies on my next video. So keep watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.